Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. We're going to be starting off with Peely Base from Holo. It is a peel off base, and you can use whichever you prefer. While we're doing this, I'm just going to remind you to hit that subscribe button. It's free and it helps me out. Also, while you're there, once you click that subscribe button, go ahead and click the bell and move that notifications up to all. And comment down below telling me what you think about this design. Alright, for our base color today, we are using this People of Color polish, and it is called Rodeo Drive or Rodeo Drive, whichever you want to say. I go back and forth every time, I believe. But I'm going to be doing 2 coats of this on all of the nails, and then we will be back. Well, actually, I'm going to go ahead and put, after I do my 2 coats of the red, I'm going to go ahead and line each nail with some liquid latex. I'm going to be using 2 different stepping plates today, but the first one that we're going to be using is from Color Club. It's this beautiful plate here. This is just their basics plate. It's got all the basic designs that you might need. I'm going to be using this stripe stamp right here, and then what I'm going to be using for the polish, the stamping polish, is Pueen's white called Pure White, and we'll also be using this polish later with the other stamping plate. And as always, I've got a paper towel. Alright. Okay, we're just going to apply the polish. And when I was doing my testing for this video, I found that because they are since they are thicker lines that are getting picked up, it's better if you scrape like sideways first and then down. And there it is. And I'm not being super picky about if the lines fully come up or not. It's not that big of a deal for me. And there's the first one. And with this manicure, I'm going to go ahead and pick up after I stamp. I'm going to take this off, take the liquid latex off, just because there's we gotta apply more polish in between the stamping, and I just prefer to to place new stamp or new liquid latex. Okay, once you get all the nails done, I kind of messed up on this one, but it'll be fine. We can figure that out here in a little bit. But I'm just going to do a quick cleanup. Right, now that we got that little bit of cleanup done, what we're going to do is I'm going to be taking Holo Taco's Royalty Blue, and I'm gonna start on the thumb because that's the one that I messed up on. I'm gonna show you real quick how I plan on fixing it. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm just going to take using the brush. I'm gonna get most of it off for this first go because I don't want to flood the nail. We're just going to pick a spot on the nail and just kind of blob the color on, and then paint in that line and fill it in. And this is going to take a couple of coats, obviously, so keep that in mind. Okay, so I ended up doing 3 coats on the blue just to get it good and opaque. And I am going to go ahead and add my liquid latex just around where I did the blue. attachment. And as for our other stamping plate, like I mentioned, we're using this Maniology stamping plate. And this one is called the M054 or M054 for Maniology. Like I said, I'm going to be using this star design right here with that same Pueen white. And we're just going to make sure that we got plenty on here so they pick up nicely. I want them to pick up very nicely. I'm just going to roll it from top to bottom. I am going to really quickly get that off. Just don't want any excess to muddle up the design. Alright, and then what we're going to do is we're going to very carefully place these to where they're on the blue and not on the red and white. And because of we're not doing the whole nail, I can get away with using the stamp for more than one nail. Just like that. Okay, and we're going to do that for the rest of these nails. Alright, I've been watching a little bit of YouTube on the side. I'll put the channel name on the screen somewhere that I've been watching today, and I'll put the link down in the description box if I remember. But I'm trying to decide if I wanted to add a Holo taco. This is the scattered Holo taco. This is the only one that I have. But I've been trying to decide if I wanted to add it or not, and I don't think I will. I don't think I'm going to be using that today. So what we're going to be doing is going straight into Super Glossy Taco, which is a top coat. Alright guys, and that is the end of this video. It is super late. For me, it's almost 10 o'clock. So this manicure took a lot longer than I thought it would. There's a lot of layers that had to dry. And I've still got to take pictures. So my top coat isn't even dry right now. But I wanted to say thank you for watching this video. I am in love with how this turned out. I loved that I only had to stamp the stars twice. I was able to put the pinky and the thumb and get those with stars on them in the same stamp. And I was actually able, if you saw and noticed, I was able to get these 3 nails stamped with the same pickup. So yeah, I'm really love how this manicure turned out. I will probably do another layer of top coat tomorrow after I get back home from work. Hopefully none of them fall off. I do use a peel off base coat, and I work in a environment where I use I handle like small parts all day, so it's very easy for my nails to just pop off with that peel off base coat. But if you liked this video, don't forget to hit that like button, and if you will, I'd appreciate it, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to also ring the bell and turn your notifications on to all, so you hopefully get all of the notifications for when I post. I upload every Wednesday at noon, and next week's video is also going to be a 4th of July nail art, but it's going to be a more simple, kind of easier design, and it's all going to be freehanded. So you have that to look forward to. I'm really excited about it as well. It is actually inspired by a picture I saw on Pinterest, so I will put the inspiration and all that in the video you'll see next week. But as for this week, that is the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all next week. Bye guys.